So take this in. I was at home getting ready for an intense editing session when out of nowhere I received an email. It was from Jiyeon, and I was working together with them for a while now, but this message was quite different. They asked me if I would be interested to check out their headquarters and manufacture over in China. And guess what? I took this one time in a life opportunity, and fast forward a couple weeks, I was there on the other side of the world, standing in front of one of the biggest gimbal and now also lighting companies in the filmmaking industry. In this video, I'm going to show you around at Jiyeon's headquarters here in Shenzhen in China, and also the culture and philosophy behind the brand. Later on, I'm also going to take you to Guilin, to their own factory and production. So let's start with the office tour right now. All right, we're on the 10th floor now, and we're entering the office of Jiyeon. And as soon as you enter it, you get greeted by this vast showroom behind me with all the gimbals and innovative lights they developed since 2014, which are well displayed there on this wall behind me. And also over here, they have a shelf full of awards they earned over the years, and they might get a bigger one soon. And they also have two walls full of patents, as you can see over here and over there. And now we're moving on to the office, so you can see the people behind the brand as well. Oh yeah, by the way, we have some special rooms over there, but we will get there later. Let's go. Over here we got a full wall of all their employees, because they get appreciated here as Employee of the Year and also Department of the Year, because Jiyeon values their effort. Now we're entering the big office space, and here at Jiyeon there are more than 300 people working at this particular location, and they are divided in different departments. In this open space office is the majority of the sales and marketing team, both for domestic and also overseas sales. Alright, here we got the cafeteria where people can grab a snack or just hang out and take a break. Over here we got the design department. They take care of all the online, digital and also print designs of product promotions, merch like t-shirts, etc. and also the official website. We also got some interesting questions for people from different departments, so let's see what they came up with. Over here we got the overseas marketing team, so let's find someone to talk with. Hey, are you free? Do you have a minute for some questions?
It's you, Daniel.
Oh yes.
It's your video.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh nice.
Happy to see you.
Yeah, happy to see you again. I know it's the wrong hand, but... So, do you have a second for some quick questions?
Of course.
Yeah? Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Soy Joyce, siendo inspirada al discutir las ideas creativas con los creadores y después las convertimos en realidad, como el lema de智云 Make it real.
Hello， 大家好，我是智云品牌设计部的经理 Jankin。智云有一个品牌 slogan 叫做 Make it real。Make it real 的意思，在我的解读就像是我们的一个个目标，我们把这些目标一个个的去实现。
I'm Daisy, Social Media Manager of Overseas Marketing. My current favorite dream product is the M20C we just released. I love the X100, I love the Crane 4, but the M20C was such a unique product. It's so small and so powerful, and the industrial design makes it stand out from the market.
我叫廖逸伦，我目前在智云公司担任总工程师一职，负责智云公司所有产品的创意和设计。专业的灯光的体积的变小，可以给我们很大的创作和发挥的空间。也可以给稳定器的发展指引一条新的研发的路线、创新的路线。未来我们会让灯光和移动影像拍摄的结合，创造更多前所未有的产品和使用场景。
Are you ready, even? Okay, if you still feel energized after a full day at the office, they even have a dedicated gym for the employees. Or if you don't feel like working out, you can just skip the gym and go over here, grab a bag of popcorn, chill with your friends at a night of karaoke, or you can just sit down and have a drink with your co-workers as well. Cheers. All right, that's it for the first floor. Let's go to the upper floor because they have 2 levels. Right here upstairs we got the R&D department, which is not only testing in-house prototypes, but also does a lot of research in the market to develop new and innovative products for you guys. And as you can see from their workspace, they look quite busy. So that's actually it from the office tour, so let's transfer over to their factory. Welcome to Jiun's factory here in Guilin. It's freezing cold outside, so let's hop inside. Let's go. Run! After you enter the building, you get greeted by this huge, nice-looking entrance here, and right behind it is the showroom, so let me give you a tour. At this wall, you can have a glance at Jiun's history of important milestones and also all the glory they achieved and how they grew over the years. Over here, we got a live stream setup going on with the green screen where you can change to any background you want, utilizing the Jiun lights. As you can see, this corner is set up like a stage with 2 guitars, and they are actually made by Jiun. And they work with AI, so anyone can play it using a dedicated app. Now we're done with the showroom, let's go inside of the factory. It's in the other building, so let's walk a little bit. The factory is actually divided in multiple buildings because they have some huge facilities with high quality standards over here in Guilin. Over here we got a ton of boxes with material which have to go to a dedicated quality check before they proceed to the assembling. So let's go into the first room to see what's inside. The first room is to check the material roughly to see if something is off. This is the second room, and they measure the material in different dimensions in here. This funny looking sphere over here is to measure lux, CRI and TLCI. And the third room is focused to physically testing the products. From temperature to simple button trigger and turn and also drop tests, everything is covered in this process. Now we're done with the quality management control area. Let's go to the upper floor to check the factory. It's so dark here. Well. Alright, we're here on the third floor where the employees assemble the last parts of their products, and as you can see, every station has their own tasks. After all the assembling, they test the products, either if it's lights or gimbals with the pre-coded algorithm, and also they test it manually on the station behind me just to make sure every product works flawlessly. Over here we got the very last part of the process before the product gets packed and shipped out worldwide. Alright, that's it for the third floor, so let's go to the next one. This right here is the aging room where Jiun tests all the lights to see how long the COB lights actually last. And as you can see, it's pretty bright in here, so people usually use sunglasses. And this plays a huge role in the whole process as well. Over there, for example, we got 2 G200s, which got tested and they last up to 2 years without any interference at all. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and I could give you an informative insight about Jiun behind the brand, and I will see you in the next one.